Hello, Mark here from the Outdoor Retiree channel. If you use a GoPro camera and want to easily be able to move it from one mount to another, then this video is for you. This quick disconnect adapter is the Ulanzi GP-4. There'll be a link below in the description. You can find it on Amazon for $12. It comes with a magnet that attaches to the camera, and then there's two bases. One has a 1/4-inch threaded slot in it for a tripod, and the other one is a GoPro adapter so that you can mount it in multiple places. The magnet pulls right into the base, quarter turn, and it's locked in. Here's an example of it. I've got it on my chest harness. If I want to put it on a selfie stick, quarter turn, pull it out, and I'm good to go. It's that quick and easy to move it around. I also use it not just Indian artifact hunting, but when I'm metal detecting. Here's my shovel. I have one of the bases on my shovel. After I dig the plug, I can plant the shovel in the ground right next to the plug, put the camera on my shovel, and I can film the recovery, nice and steady video. If you're looking for a quick disconnect adapter, this is the one you want to try. Thanks for watching. Coming up next, I'm going to roll a clip where I'm using it metal detecting, and you can actually see it in use. Didn't find anything great, but I just wanted to demonstrate the quick disconnect adapter and how I use it when I'm metal detecting. Yeah, 25, 26 right here, so we'll dig it, see what we got. It's in the plug. And I'm going to move you down to the mount on the shovel so you get a better look. There's still something in the hole too. And there it is. Modern penny. And I had a hit in the hole too. I think it's just scrap piece of wire, not another coin. And there's more pieces of that old rusted iron in there.